Welcome, my dear friends. Today's video and in this session, we are going to learn about a powerful and versatile tool used in workshops, construction, fabrication, and even home repairs, the angle grinder. An angle grinder is a handle power tool that is a rotating abrasive disc for cutting, grinding, polishing, and even sanding different type of materials such as metal, stone, concrete and wood. It is also known as a side grinder or disc grinder. Let us start, dear friends, discussion about the angle grinder. First we see small angle grinder. Sometimes it is called a single handed grinder. The angle grinder has number of use in the workshop including cutting, grinding and polishing and cleaning a metal surface. The angle grinder can be used on materials such as metals, concrete, stone, and tiles. Grinders are supplied as a main corded version or a battery version and are available in number of sizes ranging from 115 diameter disc to 230 diameter discs. Most grinders are provided with a side handle which can be attached to either side or the top of the grinder housing. This not always needed. Also, in this figure, we see the sketch of small angle grinder, which is held with the hand. This is the main part of the grinder disc. This is locking nut and spindle. This is the adjustable guard. This is the side handle. Fits either side or grinder. This is the main cable for supply. This is the secondary switch on off switch, primary on off switch. This is the motor of the small angle grinder with vents, and this is a spindle lock. This is a geared head where the rotation of the angle grinder will be take place. Large angle grinder, sometimes called a two handle grinder, which is generally used with the battery version. Lithium ion rechargeable battery version, large angle grinders are generally used. This is the grinding disc. This is the locking nut, adjustable guard, screw hole for side handle, secondary on-off switch, dead man switch also is called. This is a primary on-off switch. This is the mains cable which is for electric supply, motor vents, spindle lock and gear head. The battery version of the angle grinder has some advantages. There is a no electrical cord to drip cover, no electrical cord to accidentally sever, no trailing cord to hamper cutting and the direction of cut. The rechargeable tool can be used where there is a no electric supply. It is generally a safer tool to compare to the main corded version or the advantage of the battery type angle grinder. The battery version of the angle grinder has some disadvantage also. If the battery is not charged up, the tool cannot be used. It is common for a trade person to have two batteries, one charging while the other is in use. This is an added expense. A separate charger must be purchased for the lithium ion rechargeable battery version is the disadvantage of the uh, rechargeable battery version. General grinding procedure, if we see in this diagram, the man is working with the hand angle grinder. This is the supply with the help of this man, which is controlled by both hands. Suitable safety clothing worn will be by this worker. Secure the material in a vise for with clamps with the help of this where grinding has to be done. The material will be held in a vise. This is the type of the section or uh, zoom view of the angle grinder cutting abrasives. Floor clear for debris and tools. Feet space part apart to ensure balance. Safety shoes must be worn at the time of doing angle grinding. This is also a second type where spark protected the safety gloves are to be used while doing the grinding. Clamp steel tube engineers bench wise. Fits will be space between the where the work to be hold and the man is to be in the grinding purpose in polishing or finishing the job. Fitting the handle to the right left side of the housing or the top of the housing allow the user to hold the grinder in a variety position. This makes grinding and cutting safer and more comfortable. This will be a handle attached to the side, handle attached to the top, which is very useful, safer for comfortable grinding. The handle side can be attached to the grinder in three positions. This is determine the user, the type of work being carried out, safety consideration, and comforts. These are the side view of the grinder. Plan who this is the plan where the handle attached to the top. This is the plan where the handle attached to the left side. By this way, this direction, by three directions, the skilled worker will be do the said grinding with the help of hand grinder. Dear friends, thank you watching for this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel IT Digital Skill Hub. Hit the bell icon for latest notification. Thank you very much.